Katie Mack, The End of Everything, Astrophysically Speaking. Embark on a mind-bending journey as we explore the possible apocalyptic scenarios in Katie Mack's book, The End of Everything, Astrophysically Speaking. Discover the fascinating and sometimes terrifying explanations of how the universe might end, from the Big Crunch to heat death, vacuum decay, and the ekpyrotic cosmos. These potential cosmic events all share a dramatic and awe-inspiring nature, making them intriguing to readers of all backgrounds. While we may have no control over these scenarios, delving into their secrets and complexities can still illuminate our understanding of the universe and our place within it. Hold on tight, as this book summary dares to explore the known and the unknown in astrophysics, and demystify some of the most perplexing and profound questions of our existence.
The end of the universe. The concept of the end of the universe has been explored for thousands of years in different religious and philosophical traditions. While some religions envision a decisive final event, others see a cyclical cosmos that rejuvenates itself endlessly. Philosophers, on the other hand, question the meaning of life in a universe that does not care about humans. These days, with advancements in science, we are now able to create detailed models that explore the end of the universe. One such model is the Big Crunch. The Big Crunch apocalypse. Over 13 billion years ago, the universe was condensed into an atom-like point, and then suddenly exploded, leading to the formation of stars, planets, and galaxies. However, if there is enough matter to overcome the initial push of the Big Bang, the universe will eventually collapse into a single point, leading to the Big Crunch. At first, it will go unnoticed, but as galaxies get closer, tumultuous merging will occur, and an increase in frequency of supernovae will flood space with radiation. Matter will reduce to component particles, leading to an unpredictable end. Despite previously predicting this to happen, astronomers made a discovery in the 1990s that shocked everyone: the universe's rate of expansion is getting faster. The end of everything. In this book summary, the author delves into the concept of heat death, a state where the universe reaches its maximum entropy and everything, including particles, will disintegrate, leading to darkness, coldness, and an end to all meaningful structures and processes. The author explains how entropy is a fundamental law of thermodynamics, making things less ordered with time. They further describe how distant galaxies will expand away from us, leaving us in total darkness, and eventually leading to the burnout of stars and even black holes. With the possibility of space being torn apart by phantom dark energy, the author shows how this bleak scenario is not only plausible but inevitable. Dark energy and the Big Rip. Exploring the cosmic enigma of dark energy, its role in accelerating the universe's expansion, and the potential for a violent end to the cosmos in the form of a Big Rip. Dark energy is a perplexing cosmic force that scientists use to describe a range of phenomena that could explain the universe's accelerating expansion. This mysterious energy likely exists throughout the universe, but we know very little about it apart from the fact that it appears to be intertwined with the nature of space itself. While it may seem like a harmless property of empty space, some scientists speculate that it could build up within objects and lead to a catastrophic event of the universe tearing apart, known as the Big Rip. In this scenario, everything in the universe would be pulled apart, starting with galaxy clusters and eventually leading to the atoms and molecules within objects being torn apart. Despite the potentially catastrophic consequences, we may never be able to predict whether the universe is headed for a Big Rip. Small variations in the nature of dark energy make all the difference between a universe fated to expand forever and one destined to be ripped apart. However, if it were to happen, it would be so far in the future that it's hardly worth worrying about. The idea of the Big Rip serves as a reminder of our limited understanding of the universe and the numerous mysteries that have yet to be unraveled. As scientists continue to probe the secrets of dark energy, we can only wonder what other surprises the universe holds. Quantum Doomsday. The discovery of the Higgs field at the Large Hadron Collider in 2012 has shed new light on the possibility of vacuum decay, a doomsday scenario where a quantum bubble of death could destroy everything in its path. The fundamental laws of the universe, including the masses and charges of particles, are currently in balance and necessary for life to exist. However, these constants are just properties of the Higgs field, which has the potential to change values and tip the universe into a lower potential, causing a catastrophic chain reaction. While it's incredibly unlikely to happen, quantum mechanics suggests that the field can randomly change at any moment, leading to vacuum decay. If this were to occur, anything in the bubble's path would be incinerated and obliterated. This scenario sounds terrifying, but it's not likely to happen for trillions of years. The possibility of parallel universes. Did you know that there may be extra dimensions beyond our limited perception? Physicists have proposed that the weakness of gravity might be explained by it leaking into another dimension. This suggests that our universe could be just one plane of a bigger spacetime with other universes like ours. The ekpyrotic cosmos theory postulates that our universe collided with another, causing the Big Bang and setting us on a path of expansion. This theory also suggests that the universes could eventually collide again and annihilate everything in the process. While still in the realm of speculation, cyclical models of the universe offer potential answers to big questions and may one day be detectable through gravitational waves.
The summary of The End of Everything, Astrophysically Speaking, opens our eyes to a plethora of intriguing cosmic events and apocalyptic scenarios that can be both fascinating and unnerving. From the Big Crunch, in which galaxies crash together, to the ekpyrotic model, where parallel universes might collide, the potential fates of our universe offer incredible insights into its origins and future. It's important to remember that while these events may seem distant or impossible, our understanding of the cosmos is constantly evolving through new discoveries and advancements in technology. Ultimately, regardless of which scenario, if any, comes to fruition, one thing is certain: our universe and the fundamental truths we hold dear are far more complex and interconnected than we could ever imagine.